Hello and welcome to this checkmate into puzzle from 1878. See that the black king is a bit isolated with the sort of white pieces all bearing down on it. It's white's turn. Can you see the checkmate in two? Checking the king with the rook by moving it to a4 doesn't give you a checkmate in two. The king moves to b5, you can then check again with the rook. The king then takes the rook, and then you can checkmate in three by moving the queen to a4. If the black king was tempted to take the bishop, then it would have been a checkmate in two by the knight to c5 move. Moving the bishop to d5 is another mate in three. Black promotes the pawn. You can then move the rook to a4 to check the king. After the king moves, you can then checkmate in three but not two with the queen. Moving the queen to a6 is only a mate in three. Black can defend with the rook. Moving the rook to g5 isn't a mate in two. Black can take the bishop with their rook. You can then do a reveal check by moving the knight to d6. Black king can't move, so they can block with their rook. Then you can move the other rook into b5 to checkmate in three. Okay, let's have a look at the solution to this one. So pause the video if you need more time. To get the checkmate in two for white, you need to move the rook to f5. Black pushes the pawn and promotes. You can then move the queen to a4 to checkmate in two. If black decides to take the bishop with the king, you can then move the knight to c5 to checkmate in two. Okay, that's the end of this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.